Hello, I am Connor Wright. I am here at the ShowSage booth at InfoComm 2026. I am here showcasing LightAct. LightAct is a media server. It is hardware and software. So what we're looking at here is I just made a little 3D print of a little concert to show off how LightAct can do a concert. So we have the DMX output, we have sound here, and we have some video. And what I am doing is giving some demos on the software, kind of showing off what makes LightAct special. One of those things is this window here is called the viewport. It is how you can build out your show. So while you're still in the office, before you get to the venue, you can build out your show by clicking and dragging to add video screens. And you can assign those video screens down to what's in the timeline, the layers in the timeline, by clicking and dragging, kind of allowing you to create your show quickly. Another interesting thing about LightAct and its user interface is that if you double-click a layer, you can get into the nodes. So if there's not a built-in feature in LightAct, you can create the effect you need by utilizing the nodes. Another thing that kind of makes LightAct special is that it has an Unreal Engine link and Notch link. So if you have like a tracker or something like that, you can have the content be adjusted and generated in real time based off of external forces, like from the tracker. Yeah. So if you want to come on down, check us out. We are the ShowSage booth. This is LightAct. If you want to get some more information about us, please visit our website, showsage.com. Thanks.